Okay. Now this dashboard is also called the back end. What your clients, your viewers are seeing is not this place. It is only for the administrators, for the technical people. So having said that, if I want to visit the home page of this web price, I will just say home here. If I click home, it will take me to the page. But remember, at this point, if I click visit site here, it will take me to the front. Remember, at this point, this website is more or less like blank. There's nothing, no activities happening, because we have not started aligning, doing the structure of the site proper. All we have just done, we have just succeeded in installing the content management system we are going to be using for the design of this site. This is what we have just achieved. Do you have any question?
Okay, if I may.
Yes, please go ahead.
Trying to remember the process. First of all, we launched the XAMPP. Then after launching the XAMPP, we activated it.
Yes.
After the activation, we looked for WordPress.
Yes.
Copied WordPress, go to the drive C.
Yes.
Then open it. Then
we open the XAMPP folder.
Yes, open the XAMPP folder, then paste the WordPress.
No, we didn't paste there. We open the XAMPP folder and then open another folder called htdocs.
From the XAMPP to htdocs.
Yes.
That's where we pasted the.
Yes, we pasted
the
WordPress inside the htdocs folder.
Then rename it.
Rename it to the name of the site we want to design.
Okay. Then after then, we open a browser.
We open a browser.
Type localhost.
Yes.
Then go to admin. Click on admin.
PHP.
Yes. Admin.
Yes.
Then name it. Click on the new.
Yes.
And name it. Give it a data name.
Yes, a database name.
Then create it.
Yes.
Then after that, you return back to the browser again and type localhost / name of the site.
Yes.
Then launch it.
Yes. And then installation begin from there.
The process of filling
the form and all of that.
Okay.
That is a brilliant steps. Good enough, you are following. Do you have any question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so powerful. Do you wish for us to proceed?
Yes.
Okay. So let's proceed now. We'll go back to the dashboard again.
Okay.
And then we'll do this. So I would want us to do something. So let's copy the web address and open in a blank a new tab, paste it here so that we can have both the front page and then the back end instead of shunting between the two.
Okay, so that one will give us the front page.
Yes.
Okay.
So whatever we do now, we'll come here to refresh and see if it gives us what we want.
Okay.
All right. So the first thing we're going to be doing here is to create a page. Every website has a page. There is a difference between a website and a blog. A blog has a post.
Okay.
A website has a page.
Okay.
A blog is static. A website is dynamic.
Okay.
Please, I will repeat. Every website has a page. Every blog has a post. A website is dynamic while a blog is static.
Okay.
So, I'm sure that is simple enough for us to remember. So, having said that, let's move on to the back end and then let's create our pages. If we say every website has a page, then it means we need to create. So, we'll click on pages and then we say add new, either here or on the top here. Add new pages, and it will give us a page where we'll add a new page. So what we'll do here, we add a page. So we'll do home and then come here and say publish and then publish again. Okay, so there's publish twice. We'll go back to the back again.
Okay.
and then we'll do another add new,
Okay.
and then we'll do now about the website, about us. So click here, we do about. It can be about or about us.
Okay. And it must be in capital letter.
It must not be,
Okay.
but since it's a header, it's good for it to be outstanding.
Okay.
Yes. When you do capital letter, you make it shout, you make it outstanding, you make it you are it's an emphasis you are trying to create.
Okay.
But it's not a rule. Okay. So publish again, and your page is published. We'll go back again and do another one, and this time around, if you like, we say contact.
It's not.
Okay, so click on it, contact, and then we also publish, right? If you click on the plus, there are other blocks here that you can see, but we don't need them for now. So let's go back to the back again. We have how many now? We have created 3 pages. Now, home is the landing page of the website. Contact is where the address and the physical address of the organization you are designing the site is, and information like phone number, email, and all of that, form to fill to reach them. This is where you find all of this. About is what is the organization about, what is the website all about. Now we need to also know what is that organization doing. The activities of the organization is totally different from about the organization. About the organization can be the history, when was the organization created, which year, which month, and all of that. But activities now, it can be, so you can create a page like either activities or services. So let's do services. Okay, so add, and then we say services. Okay, sorry, services, right? And then we say publish, and then we say publish. Now we have 4 pages created. We can create as much as possible depending on the uniqueness of that organization. So assuming the organization is into a lot of things and they want to create pages, some create pages, if it is a newspaper company, some create pages for news. They call it, can be newsroom.
Okay, sir, but those specific organizations, do they have a standard pages for their site, or
no? Like I said, there is no lay down rule.
Okay.
It is what they give you. The information they are giving you is what you are working with.
Okay.
For instance, if you are designing for a school, you will do about, you will do home, you will do contact. These 3 are basic. History of the organization, the landing page of the organization, the contact of the organization. After these 3, the rest is actually related to what the organization wants you to do. If it's a school, you can have places like faculty. Under faculty, you see departments and all of that. Okay. Some, if the school also, you can have a page like something called portal, where students do registrations and all of that. So the uniqueness of a site depends on the activities, what that organization does. Is that okay? All right, so having said so, we have also publicity. So let's do with this 4 and see. So let's move on. We'll go back to our dashboard. Now there are 4 pages we have created here. These 4 pages, if remember, we said we open a new tab so that we can see our front page. So if we refresh here now, let's see, you are not seeing anything. Those 4 pages we created, they are not on the header.
Yeah.
Okay, they are not on the header because we have not organized this site. This site is still showing us a post page. It's not a website yet. So what we do, we go back to the dashboard, we go to appearance, right?
You click on appearance.
Yes.
Okay.
I want us to see everything. Now on this appearance, you see we have three default themes. I think let me eject this hard drive since it keeps popping up and all of that. So what we need here is to go to settings. On the setting, you see general, writing, reading, discussion, media, permalinks, and all of that. So let's do reading. The reading is under settings. Now remember I said every website has a page and every blog has a post. Now your home page display, come here, you see reading settings. Your home page displays, you see your latest post. It means this is still on a blog. Let me tell you why this is like this. Ordinarily, WordPress was meant to be a blog platform.
Okay.
Yes. When you talk about content management system, CMS, before now, WordPress was not actually being mentioned around there. It's a blog. It's used mainly for blog. But as times goes on and technology keep advancing, the potentials of WordPress over other potential content management system became so big, so enormous, and very flexible, such that anybody can actually catch up with the pace of their development in terms of updates and all of that. So people started driving towards it. And so by default, if you install WordPress, it will give you a post as the display, the landing page. So we will not change it, because what we want to build is a website, it's not a blog. Okay. So we'll come to static page. Yes, there's a radio button there. Go to static page, and then under this place we can select the home page, which is this. See all the pages we created. So we can say home. What we are trying to do is that whenever anybody is launching to this website by using the domain name, the address of the website, it will land straight to the home page.
Okay. To take the person.
Yes. So that is just a home page, home.
Okay.
If you don't want the home to show, if you can remove it. If you want it that, okay, if they visit, they should go to about us. If you put about us, if anybody put this website now, it's about us page that's going to open. Good. So let's go back to home page, and then we're going to save this. It's saved. Okay. This will still not show. It will still not show here. If I refresh now, it's still not there. But if you see, that post that time is gone.
Yeah.
We had a post.
Yes.
Something was written here.
Yes.
The post is gone.
It's more
yes.
like a page.
Cool. So, but for us to see all what we did, we need to do what we call menu. We will create a menu for this site.
Okay.
How do you create a menu? You go back to appearance, crossover, and then click on menu. A menu, just like the name implies, is like a platform that holds together the pages of the site that you want to display at the header.
Okay.
So now menu name. So let's create a menu. So we will call it navigation or nav.
Okay, that's what it's supposed to be there.
It can be anything.
Okay, anything.
Yes, it can be anything. You can call your menu anything.
Okay.
If you like, you can call it a placeholder. But I call it nav because what the headers will do for you is to navigate from one page to another. So that is why I say navigation. So most times you need to get used to some of these professional languages and then know what to do. So nav, and then I'll say create. Right? Now I will come here. You can see service, contact, about us. There's no home page. So I will view all. Click on it. So you see now home page, say front page. So now I'm going to click the 4 pages that we created and say add to menu. They are there now.